Hello, third graders. Here is our writing for this week. It looks very similar to last week's, except all of the prompts have changed. So, the first thing I want you to do every day when you are beginning to write is to review our rubric. Remember, our rubric is down here in the notes section. You need to remember that your response needs to be 5 to 8 complete sentences. One of those sentences needs to be a topic sentence that flips the question. You need probably 3 to 4 details that are using some transition words. And then you also need a conclusion that restates the introduction, but in a different way. And then also remember to have correct grammar, spelling, and punctuation throughout your assignment. Okay, so here is Mondays. I'm going to do a quick little model so you guys can see exactly what I'm looking for. So your question to this week is, how do you like distance learning? Would you rather be in class? Explain your feelings. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put my cursor in here. I'm going to remember to indent. And I'm going to start with my topic sentence. So I'm going to look at the prompt. How do you like distance learning? So I'm going to start with distance learning is okay, comma. However, I would much rather be in the classroom. All right, so there's my topic sentence, and it clearly flips this prompt. Okay, now I'm going to start with a transition and give my reasons why distance learning is okay, but I'd still rather be in the classroom. So I'm going to start with, let's see, to start with, I miss seeing all my students' smiling faces and talking with them each day. I do miss them. Okay, so there's my first reason. My second reason, let's start with a transition. Another reason, I'm still not spelling that right, that's okay. Another reason, comma, I would rather be in the classroom is because I miss, always capitalize I miss playing our group games. For example, I miss playing our math game, Bud. All right, and then finally, I miss reading to my students and doing art projects together. And you can see I'm making lots of mistakes, and that is okay. I'm going to go back and fix those during the editing process. All right, so I ended with a reason. I'm not done yet. I still need to have a conclusion. So I'm going to go back up here. Let's see. Distance learning is okay. However, I would much rather be in the classroom. So I might start with, let's see. Distance learning is okay. However, I would much rather be in the classroom. So let's see. Distance learning, what's another way to say that? Maybe I miss going to our classroom. I miss going to our classroom, period. I think that works. And if you want to make this bigger, you can always highlight it and then come up here to this number and just make it a little bit bigger. I'm going to try maybe 18. See, that's much easier for me to see now. And now I'm going to go back and edit. I'm going to make sure that I have those 5 to 8 sentences, that I have a topic sentence that flips the question and details with transition words and blah, 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 blah. All right, so here I go. Distance learning is okay. However, I would much rather be in the classroom. To start with, I miss seeing all my students' smiling faces and talking with them each day. Another reason I would rather be in the classroom is because I miss playing I need to fix that, our group, and I need an R here, group games. For example, I miss playing our math game Spud. Finally, I miss reading to my students. I'll fix that. And doing art projects. Togethers, that's making sense. So we'll go to the S. And then my conclusion is I miss going to our classroom. Or I'm just going to say instead of going, I'm going to make this I miss teaching. I think that sounds better. Do some revising. I miss teaching in our classroom. Okay, and I think that's a pretty good response. Again, I'm going to just look at my rubric and make sure I have 5 to 8 sentences. I had a topic, I have details, I have my transition words. Let's just make sure I have enough sentences here. Let's see, I have one, two, three, four, here, four, five, six. I'm perfectly safe. I'm in between that 5 to 6 requirement there. Okay, so this would get a full credit response or full credit for this type of response. Okay, good luck, you guys.